In today's video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget Wallet to Bitget Exchange. For that, first of all, launch your Bitget Wallet, and then you just have to simply create your account on it if you haven't already, or you can even just log in into your account. Here on the home page, you will be able to see the deposit option, but if you are not able to see it over here, then first tap on the more option, and here you just have to simply select the send option. After that, it will show you all of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your account. So among these, you just have to simply select the cryptocurrency which you want to basically send. Let's say I want to send Solana, so you just have to simply select the crypto and it will show you this type of page. Now you just have to first select the network. So by default it is showing me the Solana network that is on the ERC20 network, so you need to just remember this. And now it will ask you to provide the receiving address. So in order to get it, open your Bitget Exchange and then tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner. After that, tap on the add funds option and select the deposit crypto option. Now you need to search for the same crypto that you want to transfer from your Bitget wallet, which in my case is Solana. In the network, you need to make sure that the same network is selected, which in my case is the ERC20. So after selecting this, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address over here. So you need to copy that from here, then come back and paste the address in this section. In the amount, enter the amount of the crypto that you want to transfer and press the confirm button in the bottom. On the next page, it will take some time in order to initiate the transaction, and once the transfer is completed, you will be able to receive your crypto from the Bitget wallet to Bitget Exchange. Now you need to remember that it may take up to 5 to 10 minutes, so you just have to be patient. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.